Welcome to the demo of 26A feature Automate Quality Inspection using connected equipment and vision systems. Inspection using a vision system, also called machine vision or automated visual inspection, is the use of cameras, control lighting, optics, and image processing software to automatically check products or output for correctness and quality without human intervention. In manufacturing environments where precision, speed, and repeatability are critical, visual inspections performed manually by operators often lead to inconsistencies, operator fatigue, and higher inspection costs. With this update, manufacturers can now execute quality inspections using AI-enabled machine vision seamlessly integrated within the production execution flow of Oracle Fusion Manufacturing Cloud. This allows operator and supervisors to automatically record visual inspection data in real time, improving accuracy, reducing inspection cycle time, and ensuring complete traceability of inspected products. Automated use of machine vision images for quality results is an optional capability, and manufacturers can determine which inspection characteristics require image capture and analysis. Inspection outcomes are automatically recorded as inspection results, completed with image where applicable, ensuring data-driven decision-making. As costs of compute and camera technologies have reduced and technical capabilities including AI-based image assessment have increased, many manufacturers are now deploying AI-enabled machine vision systems to automate quality review process. In this video, we will cover how a quality manager can configure specific characteristic within inspection plan, needs to accord visual inspection with image, and then post-automated event processing, production supervisors can visualize those attachments while reviewing the operation completion transaction in Production History tab of work order within Production Supervision menu in the Work Execution work area. Now let's review the changes made to facilitate the image required for a characteristic. There's a new control included, image required for visual inspection, which can be optionally enabled for each inspection characteristic within the inspection plan as required. Next, I can post a quantity report event with inspection attachments. The existing quantity report event has been extended to support inspection comments and attachment for each characteristic. When I post the event, it gets validated and then automated disposition for quality inspection happens and the characteristic value, comments, and attachment get associated to the inspection event for the operation completion transaction. Now, I will review the transaction history for this reported operation completion transaction and view its inspection detail. I can see the characteristic values are populated and the attachment icon to denote if the characteristic has an attachment or not, and the actual attachment available to download and view. In case there is a malware or the payload size exceeds the allowed limit of 10 megabytes, the event would be rejected and captured in the rejected section of the events tab within operational data menu in the work execution work area. To summarize, with this feature, you can configure inspection plan specification with optional image required flag for a particular characteristic, generate quantity report event with optional inspection comment and/or attachment, and then capture the attachment along the operation completion transaction for further reference and disposition. For more information on setup required and steps to enable this feature, please refer to the Manufacturing 26A What's New Automate Quality Inspections using Connected Equipment and Vision System. Also refer to the Setup Connected Asset and Equipment section in the Manufacturing Functional area of the Implementing Manufacturing and Supply Chain Materials Management Guide on how to capture and evaluate events from connected equipment. This concludes the demo of this feature. Thanks for watching.